So today we are going to be making vanilla pudding cookies. This was requested by a subscriber down below in the comments, so make sure that if you want to get one of your videos featured, you comment down below.
And make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications and give us a big thumbs up.
We're really excited to try these cookies, so without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Let's go.
I
don't know what the thing that we're going to be doing is preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Okay, so now that the oven is preheated, we're gonna start mixing up the ingredients. Okay, now we're going to be beating the butter and the sugar on medium speed for 2 minutes. This is 3/4 cup of butter, or you could say a stick and a half.
So we're done.
Mixing
so this is what it looks like.
And now we have to add in the egg, vanilla, baking soda, and salt. So that's the vanilla. Okay, that's okay.
Where do I put the egg?
Baking soda.
So we are going to be mixing the pudding for 30 seconds. I'm going to be holding the butter
While I mix.
So next we are going to be adding the flour after we get all of this stuff out of the thing. How we get them out? It's called teamwork. Teamwork.
Now this is mixed in.
So now we're gonna add the sprinkles, mix it with our hands.
Do whatever sprinkles you want. So if you're making these in Halloween time, you can do green and purple or whatever.
Or you could, at Christmas, you could do red and green.
Yeah, really customized. And these are perfect for any celebration or just easy on your own.
Yeah.
Next is to make our cookie balls. So this is 2 tablespoons, and this is what we're going to use to scoop it. That way they're all evenly sized.
Now we're going to put in the cookies in the oven for 8 minutes.
We'll be back with you guys in 8 minutes. So the cookies are done, and now we're going to take them out of the oven. We did have to put them in for an extra minute. So if you don't look ready, you can just put them in for another minute or 2, and then it should be ready. Yeah, so now we're going to wait for them to cool off, and then we're going to taste test.
We got them out of the oven. There's tons of them.
Yes, if you're wondering, it made us 22 cookies.
We're gonna taste them.
Whoa, guys, look at all the sprinkles in them.
Yeah, they melted.
These are really good. I would definitely recommend making these at home.
So, I give this 3 thumbs up. I only have 2.
Taste the salt and the sugar, and just taste really good together. And it makes it so cute that we have the sprinkles.
That's the end of the video.
Yeah, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below any other video
and turn on
ideas.
the notifications.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.